Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make tasty and simple mutton mandi. This dish basically originated from Arab country where they basically dig a hole and then they put a meat so that it can cook slowly by slowly till it becomes super soft. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need paprika powder 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of Garamasala, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of beef masala, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 lime, and lastly you're going to need your mutton meat or any other meat that you prefer. So the first step, we are going to slightly cut the meat. Then afterwards stab the meat. As you can see in the video, this is so important because when we're putting the spices so that the spices can blend in well. Then the next step, we are going to mix our spices. In a medium small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of beef masala, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of salt. Then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then I'm only going to squeeze 1 lime, and I forgot to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and mix all the spices very well. Once you're done mixing all the spices, apply the spices all around the meat. Gently rub the spices inside the meat so that the spices can blend in well. Then afterwards, wrap the meat with a foil paper, then place in the fridge to marinate for at least 3 to 4 hours. And after 3 to 4 hours of marination, we are going to make our mandi rice. Ingredients, you're going to need 2 cups of soaked rice, some salt to taste, a bit of raisins, 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 pieces of bay leaves, 2 pieces of cinnamon sticks, whole cardamon, a bit of cloves, almonds, Zafran, or you can use orange food coloring, and lastly 2 slices of onions. In a pan or a pot, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil and let the oil to heat up a bit. Then you're going to add cinnamon sticks, cardamom, cloves and bay leaves and cook them for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the sliced onions and cook the onions till golden brown. Once your onions are brown like this, then your onions are ready and remove them from the fire. Afterwards, you're going to take an oven dish or an oven pan. Then add the fried onions with the cinnamons. Then add 2 cups of soaked drained rice. Pour 3 cups of hot water, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and mix everything well. Lastly, I'm going to add 3 drops of Zafran, or you can use orange food coloring so that my Mandi rice can have a slightly orange color. This is optional, you can just leave your Mandi rice to be just like that. Afterwards, you're going to take a wire rack, apply some oil on the wire so that the meat doesn't stick at the bottom, and then afterwards place your mutton meat on the top. Then afterwards, cover the meat with aluminium foil paper. This is so important because when your meat is baking in the oven, the meat tends to become super soft because of the moist. Then afterwards, place your mandi in a preheated oven and bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for 3 hours. After 3 hours, my mutton mandi rice is ready. I will uncover it so you can able to see how well baked the meat and the rice looks. Like you can see in the video, the meat looks so soft and the rice is nicely cooked. Sorry, I couldn't able to record the part where I added a bit of raisins. I opened the oven the last 30 minutes and I added a bit of raisins as you can see in the video. Lastly, we have to smoke our mandi. Add a burnt charcoal and drizzle a bit of oil. And cover with a foil for at least 3 to 5 minutes so that we can have that amazing barbecue smell. After 3 to 5 minutes, our mutton mandi rice is ready. Mix the rice properly and serve on a large plate. And my mandi rice is nicely cooked and it has a slightly orange color as you can see in the video. And serve your mandi on a large plate, like basically how they serve it on a large plate similar like this. Lastly, garnish your mandi with some almonds and you can add more raisins, that's up to you. And then afterwards, place your mutton meat at the top. And my mutton mandi rice is ready as you can see in the video. Like this mandi was so delicious and the meat was super soft. Enjoy your mandi with some chili and a piece of banana and a cold drink and enjoy your delicious mutton mandi. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.